Hello friends and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for kindergarten children and preschool teachers. Teachers will create interest in children to learn and write in such a manner that they feel happy and love to do work. Young children only do something when they find it interesting. Here is a way teachers can make learning fun for students. So, let's start to do this craft. Now, we start letter T. T says tree. T says tortoise. T says tiger. T says truck, train, trap, tap, and many more other words. But in this video, we will make only those things which comes from letter T. Many other words like tomato. Okay, so tomato can't make it with the letter T. It's from letter T, but we can't draw it or we can't craft it. Okay, now we start with tell to the children, draw a straight line like this with brown color. Draw straight line with brown color and draw one slipping line like this. It becomes letter T. And then we make tree, so we dip our finger in a green color and make some finger dipping to make tree. You can tell them to children with color also, with paper craft also, like paper tearing. They can do it with the paper tearing also, but the children like finger tipping most. So we are doing with the finger tipping. So like this way, tree is here. And then when it becomes dry, then we draw some more branches like this. So it is ready. Now the next one, we do a letter craft. Pasting the sheets. So for pasting the sheets, we will do pasting different shapes. So firstly we take a one rectangular sheet and tell to the students they will paste in a straight way like this, and then they will paste it in a slipping way also. So then it becomes letter T. We are making turkey with letter T. So we make legs here like this, and then for eyes we are pasting Google eyes. If you are not having Google eyes, you can tell them to draw eyes with sketch pen or with colors. Now we are pasting some feathers. You can paste it like this. So and now one thing is left, a beak, a small triangle. So it becomes turkey. So it's letter craft, and then we are making with small letter. So for this we take tiger. So for this we draw small letter T with our finger only like this. and then tell to the children, paste the cutout of the face of tiger. You can provide the cutout of tiger face like this. Then paws like this. Cutout of paws like this. And in this manner. And then make the tail of tiger, and when it becomes dry you can make some black stripes of the tiger also like this. So by this way you can create tiger. So tell me how you like it, and thank you for watching the video.